Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to change delivery address on Tesco. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in tesco.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Tesco. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to change your delivery address, for that what you have to do is click on this option, My Account, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to see your account information over here. In this interface, simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find the section for details and preferences. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply click on the option personal details. Now you'll be led to the personal details interface. From here you'll be able to see the personal details like your name, phone number, addresses, etc. So over here you'll be able to find the option for main address. Also you'll be able to see the saved delivery addresses over here. If you want to add the delivery address, you can simply click on the plus icon that you can see right over here. After that you'll be able to add the new delivery address. But if you want to change your default delivery address, for that what you have to do is click on the edit option that you can see right over here. Now from here you'll be able to change your default delivery address. All you have to do is start typing the address over here. So click on this field. Now simply start typing your address. You'll be able to see the results over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after that you can see over here the address will be changed. Likewise you'll also have to enter the phone number over here. If you want to change the phone number too, you can go ahead and do that. You can also enter the delivery instructions if you want. This is completely optional. Now after doing all that, click on this option, Save Changes, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your address will be changed. So like this you'll be able to change the default delivery address. So that is how you change delivery address on Tesco. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.